glory. Yeah. Hey, yo, this feeling's enormous. It's in my blood like royalty, I couldn't ignore it. It was written in time like generations before me, and I'm the next one in line like I'm repeating his story. Yeah, with diamond dreams for me and my team. See, we turn our scheme to reality, and now we skiing somewhere overseas, sitting back, living life like we on leave. Yeah, it's for the glory. And it took hard work, ain't have no handout. I learned you gotta stand for something so you can stand out. You trying to be indifferent, I'm called to be the difference. I'm sticking to the mission, my story's so prolific. You see the king, better bow. I'm a lion on the prowl, and somebody let him out. Now I'm sitting on the seat where the glory is endowed, and I'm feeling like a chief to a village, and that's why I'm screaming out like,
yeah, I got the glory like kings before me.
In the glory of those who came before me. You try to kill my dreams, homie, you gon' need an army. I had too much blood in the game, they couldn't ignore me. I ain't never do it for fame, that wasn't my story. I'm standing right here. Oh, you don't see this throne, I see it quite clear, it's right here. And you don't see this crown that's being held up on my right ear. And you don't know victory if you ain't never had to fight fear. So you can never clone me, I keep it 100, you phony like cubic zirconia. I wasn't blessed like the rest, so don't try to test me, homie. I keep my enemies close like we the best of homies. Yeah, hey, I did the inventory and counted my losses. I'm what the boss's boss is. Yeah, cause I done carry my crosses. You never know what the cost is until it costs you. That's why I'm all in.